Hello, my name is Paul Cummings, President and founder of the Whole Cyber Human Initiative. I come to you today as a servant leader asking for help. You may have noticed that our initial post was that of a GoFundMe. It's a GoFundMe. We are looking for sponsors and donors that wish to help us build our 501 from the ground up. We are halfway there. We're also looking for organizations to partner with. Organizations that believe there is no talent shortage amidst the 1.8 million unfilled cybersecurity roles globally that continues to grow. Let us meet in the middle. Let's bridge this gap. Let's redefine talent acquisition, cybersecurity workforce development, and build these whole cyber human bodies. In closing, let us not only improve lives and secure your companies, but also secure the next 20 years.